Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the economy of Ghana, a country located in West Africa known for its abundant natural resources, diverse economy, and stable political environment, making it one of the fastest-growing economies in Africa. In this video, we will take a closer look at the economic landscape of Ghana, explore its key sectors, and examine the factors driving its growth. So, stay tuned for an informative and engaging overview of the economy of Ghana. The economy is diversified with major sectors such as agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services. Agriculture is a vital sector of Ghana's economy and a major source of employment for the population. It contributes about 20% to the country's GDP and provides livelihoods for about 60% of the population. Ghana has a wide variety of agricultural products, including cocoa, oil palm, cashew, shea nuts, yam, maize, and rice. Cocoa is the most important agricultural export crop in Ghana, accounting for about 30% of the country's foreign exchange earnings. Ghana is the second largest producer of cocoa in the world, after Côte d'Ivoire. The government has implemented policies to support cocoa farmers, including providing subsidized fertilizers, extension services, and credit facilities. Oil palm is another important crop in Ghana, with an increasing demand for palm oil for domestic consumption and exports. The government has been encouraging private investment in the sector to promote growth and development. Cashew and shea nuts are other major crops in Ghana, with the potential to become significant foreign exchange earners. The government has been promoting these crops through various initiatives such as providing subsidies, research and development, and marketing support. Yam, maize, and rice are staple food crops in Ghana, and the government has been implementing policies to promote their products, including the provision of improved seeds, extension services, and credit facilities. Despite the potential of the agricultural sector in Ghana, it faces challenges such as limited access to credit, inadequate infrastructure, and low productivity. Mining is a significant sector of Ghana's economy and contributes about 7% to the country's GDP. Ghana is the largest gold producer in Africa and the seventh largest producer of gold in the world. The mining sector in Ghana is dominated by gold mining, but the country also produces significant quantities of bauxite, manganese, and diamonds. The mining sector in Ghana has experienced significant growth in recent years, with an increase in production and investment. The government has implemented policies to promote growth in the sector and attract foreign investment. The mining industry is regulated by the Minerals and Mining Act of 2006, which provides for the granting of mining leases and the regulation of mining activities. Despite the potential of the mining sector in Ghana, it faces challenges such as illegal mining activities, environmental degradation, and social conflicts. Illegal mining, also known as galamsey, is a major challenge in the sector, and the government has been taking steps to address it. Manufacturing is a growing sector of Ghana's economy, accounting for about 6% of the country's GDP. The manufacturing sector in Ghana is diversified and includes industries such as food and beverage, textiles and clothing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and construction materials. The government has been implementing policies to promote growth in the manufacturing sector, including providing tax incentives, promoting local content, and improving infrastructure. The One District One Factory initiative aims to promote the development of manufacturing industries in every district in the country. Despite the potential of the manufacturing sector in Ghana, it faces challenges such as inadequate infrastructure, limited access to credit, and high energy costs. The food and beverage industry is the largest manufacturing subsector in Ghana, accounting for about 25% of the sector's output. The industry includes companies that produce processed foods, beverages, and tobacco products. The textile and clothing industry is another significant subsector, with the potential to become a major export industry. The pharmaceutical industry is also growing, with the potential to reduce the country's dependence on imported drugs. The services sector is a significant contributor to Ghana's economy, accounting for about 60% of the country's GDP. The services sector in Ghana is diversified and includes industries such as banking, telecommunications, transport, tourism, and education. The banking industry in Ghana is one of the most developed in sub-Saharan Africa, with a well-regulated banking system and a large number of commercial banks. The telecommunications industry is also growing rapidly, with high mobile phone penetration and the increasing use of mobile money services. The transport industry in Ghana includes road, rail, air, and water transport, with the road transport sector being the largest. The government has been implementing policies to improve transport infrastructure, such as the construction of new roads and the expansion of airports and ports. The tourism industry is also growing in Ghana, with the country's rich cultural heritage and natural attractions attracting tourists from around the world. The education sector in Ghana includes both public and private institutions, with primary, secondary, and tertiary levels of education. The government has been implementing policies to improve the quality of education and increase access to education, such as the free senior high school program, which provides free secondary education to students. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this informative. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. See you at the next one.